Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working on Edge 19 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click on hot side power button and volume up button and you will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search Google app from here. Click on Google app and click on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, click on Settings app and search Software Update. You will check your software updated latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down to and click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option and click on Reset All Setting. After click on Reset All Settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.